In this video, I'll show you how to pair your AirPods Pro to your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you have a Samsung phone just like this, and you want to pair your AirPods Pro with it, this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do when you want to pair your AirPods Pro with your Samsung Galaxy phone is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down and click on connections. Then here, locate Bluetooth and click on that. While on the Bluetooth page on your Samsung Galaxy phone, open your AirPod just like this and turn on Bluetooth. This is going to turn on the Bluetooth on your Samsung Galaxy device. And then your Samsung phone will search for available Bluetooth. So this is going to search for your AirPods Pro. Then you should see the name of the AirPods Pro available under available devices. If you have not renamed your AirPods Pro, you should see AirPods Pro here. But here I've named my AirPods Pro to AD.4A AirPods Pro. Then go ahead and click on that. Then should see pairing. Then a pop-up will appear on your Samsung Galaxy device that says Bluetooth pairing request. Go ahead and tap the pair button to pair your Samsung phone with your AirPods Pro, and that does it. Then you should see the AirPods Pro paired with your Samsung Galaxy device. Then if you click on the settings, you'll be taken to where to see the functions of this particular AirPods Pro 2 or AirPods Pro on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can use it to receive calls and audio, and also audio device type is headphone. That's it. If you want to use this as speaker, then you can choose others while receiving calls on your Samsung Galaxy device. So this is how you can easily connect or pair AirPods Pro to your Samsung phone. If you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.